A wall gecko, also known as a house gecko, is a small to medium-sized lizard commonly found in warm climates. Here are some key characteristics. Wall geckos typically have a slender body, a broad head, and large eyes with vertical pupils. Their skin is usually covered in small granular scales and can vary in color, often adapting to their surroundings with shades of gray, brown, or green. Some species have spots or patterns. Most wall geckos range from about 3 to 6 inches, 7.5 to 15 centimeters in length, including their tail. They possess specialized toe pads that allow them to climb smooth and vertical surfaces effortlessly. These pads contain tiny hair-like structures called setae, which create a strong adhesive force through van der Waals interactions. Wall geckos are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. They are often seen on walls and ceilings inside homes where they hunt for insects and other small invertebrates. Their diet primarily consists of insects like moths, mosquitoes, and spiders. They play a beneficial role in controlling insect populations. They thrive in warm environments and are often found in urban areas, taking refuge in homes, gardens, and other structures. Wall geckos lay eggs, usually 2 at a time, which are hidden in secure, moist places. The eggs hatch into miniature versions of the adults. Wall geckos are highly adaptable creatures and are often welcome in homes for their insect control benefits, though some people may find their presence bothersome.